What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're at a little local car show, Eastfield Classic. So check it out, some badass rides, hopefully not too much talking, so enjoy.
Oh, you're good, you're good. A lot of people ask me why I don't talk on videos. Sometimes you just need to shut up and watch the viewer, let the viewer enjoy the car. But this is an extremely clean swap, man. This is crazy. Cup the control arms. Man, this is as clean as you can get. Super clean with using a lot of stock parts without having to go buy crazy expensive control arms and all that other stuff. Whoever did this, shout out to you, man. If you see this video, man, super clean truck, brother. This is mad props. What a clean build. It's about the details, man, and this thing is wow.
Yeah, man, I do think it's a good show, man. As soon as I got free, I'm like, right? I'm like, nah, go back home, like, you're gonna regret it. Yeah, I would just like that.
I need to go back.
highly specialized. The home is not the value of it needs to be. So you want to do it.
What's up, Jerry? What's going on? There goes Jerry. Say what's up.
Eastfield Classics.
That's right, baby.
Yeah.
That's right. Nah, you're good, brother. You're good.
Hey, you didn't work on that, right?
No reason at all. You just go start it. I went to school twice.
For both?
Yeah, usually you only have your job is called an MO.
Check it out on YouTube, guys.
Gotcha.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just upload a lot of the car shows I go to. I'll be there Chino too this Saturday.
Okay.
So Chino Corn Feed Run. Have you guys heard of it?
Yeah, I heard a couple of them.
Yeah, definitely. It's awesome. It's worth the trip. Yeah. All right, fellas.
What's your YouTube channel?
Yeah. It's Cisco-Matic C10.
Okay.
Yeah, Cisco-Matic C10. Yeah. It's like you got like 5 twins, Jerry.
Yeah.
I see you everywhere.
Dude, here?
Yeah, no. I'm saying like
Around.
You're everywhere. Yeah, I love it. You just making your rounds now, dude. It's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, why start a meet if you can't go around talking to people, right?
That's
Literally it. Yeah.
You should see a float toilet after that.
It was in pretty bad shape. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. No, no.
Hey, ready? I don't know how to semi. Hey, imagine it. I don't say cheese. I got my phone. Hey, guys, look quick. I can't do it. I'm gonna take a
So, little funny story. My main camera ran out of battery and did a rookie mistake where I didn't charge them before, so now I'm stuck with my regular DSLR. But hey, just I'm getting used to this. I'm new to the whole professional camera, I guess, look. So, anyways, just wanted to say that.
Chillin' with the homies, smelling the blood. Double part that I'm talking to Dub about. Who got a plan? Who got a plot? Who got and who got the info? Crazy tunes hanging out the window. Who I got them dumbass notes? The lynch mob, planet of the apes. I'm down with 8 and what's up? Cam is solo. With more pounds to the ounce of the cash, mash up and for the rest, everything is great. Don't drink and drive to keep the phone from crashing. Stashing the clock and I thought you knew it. You know how we do it. Try to keep away from flat. Everybody drinking, so we all gotta stroll. Some drinking 8 ball, others black and gold. Gotta get my head, cause I can help my custom hill. Building back from PCH on my way to Bobby Hills. Tighten up my plate, make us stop at VIP. I'm on the lookout. The niggas hit from DJ Warren. And wise man, I got me through for the night. So carry on with some low in the wind.
So, I don't know if they even found that. That's a learning episode. Learning day.
Yeah, nice television.
Oh, I know. Let's get on the actual board. Yeah. Oh yeah, like the twist is going out. Yeah.
That concludes the Eastvale Classic. It's my second time here. Now that I'm a little more comfortable talking to people, it's actually a really fun show, guys. Definitely come out. Shout out to Jerry, dude. Super cool little meet you've thrown out here, and you know, we're definitely enjoying it. Sorry I didn't get to talk to you as much as I would have wanted. But anyways, guys, go ahead, hit that like button. hit that subscribe button. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I promise you guys. I'm here to stay, and I'm gonna upload everything that I can. Progress on the video or on my truck. Progress on our project trucks. Personal and, you know, things we want to flip and out here on shows. So again, if you see this Saturday, April 22nd, please check out the corn feed run, man. You will not regret it. It's probably one of the coolest shows, family shows that I've been to the last couple years. So definitely, guys, keep classic on, and remember, no one likes a long bed.